Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Be sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn your notification bell on. We're turkey hunting today. Fall turkey hunt. Yesterday was, I couldn't even get no footage to make any content yesterday because it never seen no turkeys, never seen nothing. So today we're gonna try to get on some. Maybe some come in. So be sure to subscribe. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're walking down to our blinds. It's just now breaking daylight, so hopefully these gobbler come in. Old big beard come in. Gotta get down here, load our gun, set our camera gear up, and we'll go from there, guys. So I mean, they just ain't coming in here at all. The turkey ain't. Don't figure that out. We put corn about 20 yards out. Put corn 20 yards out, and we just ain't getting nothing successfully. I ain't successfully, can't get them to come in. They came in Saturday, gobblers come in. Sunday they come in. Sunday evening they come in. And then Monday, nothing. Tuesday morning, nothing. And we can't get doing this and not filming no footage. We can't be a successful YouTuber if you cannot get footage of what you're hunting. Kind of just blows things out of proportion. I mean, we want to try our best to be successful at this YouTube thing and have fun with it, and maybe one day we can, make, right now I ain't all about making money on YouTube. I don't make nothing off YouTube right now. It's just getting more subscribers, getting more people to come and watch me.